It's November 15th, 2025, and it's our first full day here in Sapporo. And we don't really have an agenda for today, but our goal this morning is to try to find a cafe that serves those fluffy pancakes. I'm gonna get dressed and I'm gonna go meet Chris at the Pancake Cafe. So let's get ready and head out the door. Alright, so I arrived here at a Happy Pancake. It was about a 10-minute walk from my hotel. Now I'm just waiting for Chris, and we're gonna go upstairs and see if we can get ourselves a table. So Chris and I are finally stopping at our favorite restaurant here in Japan, McDonald's. I got a chicken and mayo sandwich. So it's November 16th, 2025. Chris and I are still here in Sapporo, Japan, and today we are heading out to the Buddha Hill Temple, which is about an hour away. Excited to see what this place is because Chris really wanted to go see it. And speaking of Chris, picked up his favorite 7-Eleven snack. Gonna surprise him when we get to his hotel. So when Chris and I first arrived here in Sapporo, we had dinner over by the train station. Now, on our way to the restaurant, I saw a place called Soup Stock Tokyo, and all they serve are delicious soups. So I really want to get there since it's my last night here in Sapporo. So let's go check it out. Alright, so I arrived here at Soup Stop Tokyo and I got myself 2 soups. The first one I'm going to try is the Atlantic lobster bisque, followed by the Tokyo borscht, which is more like a meaty stew soup. But this smells absolutely delicious and I cannot wait to dig in. Oh, this is so good. So good. Tastes like creamy lobster bisque. Nothing beats when it's cold outside and you have a nice bowl of hot soup. All right, let's try the second one, which is called Tokyo borscht, which I may be pronouncing that wrong, but again, it's like a meaty stew. It's got chunks of beef in it. So delicious. Really, really good. Oh, it's good. Oh, there's potato in here as well. There you go. And one thing I forgot to mention is that for every soup that you order, they give you a fresh roll. Super soft. Look at that. Right out of the oven. This is called the dip test. Now let's try it in the bisque. Now let's do them at the same time. So good. If you ever come to Japan, definitely look up Soup Stock Tokyo. So it's our last day here in Tokyo, Japan, and tonight Chris and I decided we're gonna go shopping and buy a ton of souvenirs for our friends and our family. So let's go. So before Chris and I go shopping, we saw this viral video of the sandwich and we decided to go try it out because we're both starving. So it's our last day here in Japan. Unfortunately, we go home this evening, but we do have a few hours before we have to go to the airport. So Chris and I decided to check out this chopstick store over here where they have very, very expensive chopsticks. In fact, I went inside and they have a pair of chopsticks for 550,000 yen, which is about $3,500. So don't think I'm going to be buying anything here. So afterwards, we're going to do a little bit more shopping in this beautiful area, head back to our hotels and pick up our bags, and then sadly return to the airport to fly home. So while Chris was in the shop getting everything situated with his chopsticks, I took a little walk down the street and I saw a pizza shop that sells New York style pizza by the slice, and it smelled so good. So after he's done, we're gonna go grab a couple of slices and a soda. Well, this is it. About to catch our Uber back to the airport. But there's one last thing I gotta get before I head back home. My last piece of fried chicken here in Japan. So delicious. So good.